Hi, it's Denise. Moving on to our next series. We just finished after the hysterectomy. I literally just got home from teaching my morning fitness classes at the gym. Today I had Tabata, which is an advanced class, and there's a lot of people younger than me in that class. Then I had my senior fitness, and we do some Zumba for cardio, as well as strength training, and then the day ended with gentle yoga, which is going to be the next phase of our over the second half living life, healthy, longevity, getting out there and doing what you want to do. So first things first, did you know that women over 50 who walk briskly for 30 minutes a day or some other type of cardio activity can reduce their risk of heart disease by 35% and their risk of dementia up to 40%. That's huge. That's huge. I don't know if you realize right now, but it seems like my mother's age range in 80s, and late 70s and 80s, they seem to be struggling a lot with dementia. And it's also been called diabetes 3. You got type 1, type 2, and now they're saying Alzheimer's and dementia is diabetes part 3, which is really kind of concerning if you ask me. And another fact for you as far as yoga. Yoga not only reduces stress and improves flexibility, but it helps improve your balance. And I don't know if you ever watched Judge Judy, but Judge Judy always says, if you want to live to be 100, don't fall. So that's what this next phase is going to be for the next 4 weeks. I don't know. I'm not going to put a time frame in it because it depends when you're going to see it. But we are going to drill deep into how we can strengthen our core, improve our balance, and just, overall improve our health and wellness for longevity. So are you ready? First thing I want to show you is something that I've always noticed in all my classes, this, people hunched forward. And you need to open it up. And the best way to do that, this is just going to be a quick tip for you. Stand up against the wall and put these shoulder blades on the wall. Keep your chin up, chest is proud, and just put those shoulder blades back on the wall. And I think you might be quite surprised by how much you might be hunching. So let's start there. Get up, go put those shoulder blades on the wall, see how you feel, and come back tomorrow and we will start digging into improving our balance. Hang in there, you got it. Life is meant to be lived. We're gonna be screaming and running into home plate, living every moment of our lives. Chat with you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.